In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your game requires a system restart in League of Legends. Now the first thing we want to do is come down here and search for services. In here you want to find something called VGC, so you can just press V, find VGC, double click and make sure it's set to automatic and running. If it's on manual you want to choose automatic, and if it's at stopped you want to press start and then apply and OK. After that, right click on it and restart. Now once this is done doing this, it will just take a few seconds. You can close this down and then search for Task Manager. Open up Task Manager and go to Startup. In here you want to find Vanguard and you want to right click and make sure it's enabled. So if it's disabled, you want to right click and enable it, and you want to do the exact same thing on Riot Client. So right click and enable, so both of these are enabled. Now once that is done, you want to just close it down, restart your PC, and now it should hopefully work. Now if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can do is come down here and search for run, percentage, local app data percentage. Come in here, find Riot Games, delete this one. If it says you cannot delete it, you just need to open up Task Manager, go to details and close down your Vanguard, if you have Riot Client, if you're League of Legends, Valorant, any of this, you want to end the task on those. Then delete the Riot Games folder. Come down here and search for apps. In here you want to search for Vanguard and uninstall. Now once you've done both of these, you can open up the Riot Client and your game will have an update, or it will ask you to install, and that's basically just reinstalling Vanguard. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.